We're gonna
Trollnado.
Six-Nado merge. Stream it.
Six-Nado merge? No.
I was expecting a Trollnado to be
No!
There's a Riftnado. Nice.
There's a
And
glitch!
Lurker.
A lurker! A mint!
There's 2 mints.
Is there a Trollnado? I'm actually curious.
Oh
There's,
my
and
god.
there's Freeze. Okay, why do I keep getting Deadnado? Hey, I got the tornado correct. The normal tornado correct.
There's a Jacko, Freeze, Troll.
There's a troll.
Yeah, there's a Troll.
Oh god!
Oh my god. How many there's Freeze-Nados?
It's just like my one. It just chose one and it was 5.
Oh my god. It's hell. There's a Glitchnado too. Eight more meters. Oh my god.
Double cold surge. What?
Someone died. Oh
Okay,
my
so
god.
you guys first. These enemies alone. What the heck does that damage?
Bro, God, there's another double cold surge.
And the whole, it's just like when the freeze, it's just like 1 appears and then just 5 appear, another 4 appear.
I'm turning up the song.
This is the goofiest merge I've ever seen.
4 more meters. Oh my god.
Chickennado
Oh.
too.
Oh.
Dude, that was perfect timing. That was actually perfect timing, dude. Yeah, I know, but dude, that was perfect timing for the song. Alright, here we go.
Be funny if like,
I'm doing hard, dude. I'm doing hard. And I meant 0 hearts.
1 more meters. Oh my god.
So bad.
I survived. Oh my god.
What map was it on? Town?
It was... Wait.
No, I mean Tuesday.
oh, that was.
It was on Isla Vista.
Oh,
Isla Vista?
Mm-hmm.
I wonder.
7 people survived.